Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome to GoldwingDocs. Today we're going to be talking about batteries. They work great until they don't. How to know when your battery is done. Coming up. Our bikes use lead acid batteries mainly because they have the energy density required and the current capacity required to start an engine. Energy density is how much power is crammed into a specific space. Lithium batteries have incredible energy density, which is why you can have a cell phone like this that has a battery that lasts all day long. You can get lithium batteries for your motorcycle, but there are downsides. They don't work well when they're cold, they don't put out much current, and if you ever have an overcharging situation, a lithium battery can really ruin your day. One of the most common problems we see on the GoldwingDocs forum is people that say, my bike won't start, or it's doing weird things when I press a starter, it just clicks, or sometimes it starts and sometimes it doesn't. And we'll go back and forth and we say, well, the first thing we say is your battery good? And they'll say, oh yeah, the battery's fine. I just put a new battery in it, it's fine. And then after we go back and forth with a few more diagnostic Q&As, they say, well, actually, I took the battery in to get tested and they said it's bad. Or, well, I tried getting a new battery and now it's fixed. So it turns out they think their battery is fine, but it's not. And why is that? First off, there's the ones that get a brand new battery and they think, well, it's perfect because it's brand new. Not always the case. There are duds. You can get a brand new battery and it's bad right out of the box. The second problem is the way they're testing a battery. If they just put a meter on it and it says, hey, it's got 12.6 volts, battery's good, right? It's holding a full charge. Yet when they try to start their bike, all they get is a click and everything turns off. They let go, battery comes back to life. Huh. Well, let's measure the battery voltage again. Still 12.6. So what's going on? The main problem is sulfation. There are lead plates inside the battery and the current has to pass through those lead plates. If you have sulfation, some of those lead plates get covered up and the current can't flow through it as efficiently. As long as you have some lead plate exposed, you're going to get the full voltage. You'll get 12.6 volts on a fully charged battery. And according to it, it is holding as much charge as it can. However, as soon as you try to draw current, it's trying to push all that current through a tiny little spot of that unsulfated lead plate, and because it's restricted on the current, the voltage plummets. If you need more background on this, I did a whole series on Electricity and Electronics 101, and this is explained in detail in that. I will put a link to that in my description below. So if you have a battery that's sulfated, it may measure the correct voltage just sitting there, but as soon as you put the load on it by trying to start the bike, the voltage plummets and everything shuts off. You let go, the voltage comes back up. You measure it, it looks just fine. So what do you do about this? Well, you can take it to your local AutoZone or auto shop and they can test the battery for you with one of their load testers, or you can get one yourself. This is a fairly inexpensive battery tester. I will put a link to this in the description below and as well maybe up here. And you can buy this off Amazon, plug it on the battery, and this is a microprocessor control that just comes up with a menu and you follow the steps on the menu, tell it what kind of battery is it, what's the cold cranking amps, is it actually in the vehicle or is it outside of the vehicle? Answer the questions, it runs a test and will tell you what's the condition of your battery, what's the percentage life it has back. These are really valuable for that sort of thing. So if you're having battery issues on your motorcycle and you think it's fine because the voltage is reading fine, maybe look again, get a battery tester, go get your battery tested. Chances are the problem that you're having starting your bike isn't the starter, isn't the relays, it's the battery. That's it for this quick and simple video. Hope you liked what you saw. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, please click like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out when you do that. Thanks for watching.